How to turn off cellular data usage in Netflix mobile app. So, the first step is by opening your Netflix app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on App Settings. You may be able to see cellular data usage right here, and as you can see, there is no option in which you may be able to turn off your cellular data. You may only choose the save data if you want to. But for iPhone users, you may go to settings right here, go to cellular right here, scroll down and look for Netflix. So once you may be able to see Netflix, make sure to turn off the cellular data by clicking on this toggle button right here. So let's just scroll down and look for Netflix. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to look for Netflix, so you have to scroll up and down right here. So simply click on the toggle button to turn it off and make sure that the toggle button will turn into gray and not green. So that's it. That's how you can turn off cellular data usage in Netflix mobile app.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.